Hi everybody, this is Mark Atwood, and I'm a longtime Pender member. Well, actually not. I've been going to Pender for a very long time. I think since John Wesley was the pastor, as I recall, but I only joined 3 years ago. My bad, but shows you that it's never too late. And I'm going to give the presentation for December 23rd. And I've asked the newest member of our family to help me with this. So it is our personal representative of 8-pound, 6-ounce baby Jesus, Caleb Christopher Lovett. And we're going to read, aren't we? Okay, we're going to read Matthew 2, 13 through 18. And I'll ask Caleb if he'll start. Caleb, will you just start with 13? Right there, you remember. Okay, go ahead. Uh-oh. Well, I can see this is going to be a problem. I think he's a little camera shy. But I swear when we practiced this, he did it. So I'll do it myself. Now when they had departed, behold, an angel of the Lord appeared to Joseph in a dream, saying, Arise, and take the child and his mother, and flee to Egypt, and remain there till I tell you. For Herod is going to search for the child to destroy him. And he arose, and took the child and his mother by night, and departed for Egypt, and was there until the death of Herod, that what was spoken by the Lord through the prophet might be fulfilled, saying, Out of Egypt have I called my son. Then when Herod saw that he had been tricked by the Magi, he became very enraged, and sent and slew all the male children who were in Bethlehem, and in all its environs, from 2 years old and under, according to the time which he had ascertained from the Magi. Then that which was spoken through the Jeremiah the prophet was fulfilled, saying, A voice was heard in Ramah, weeping and great mourning, Rachel weeping for her children, and she refused to be comforted because they were no more. Well, that rather casts a pall on things, doesn't it? You know, we like to think of the Christmas story as being all warm and cozy and bright and happy and holy, but this is the dark side of the Nativity, and it's pretty bad. But you know, God allows a lot of really awful things to happen, and we don't really understand why. But the point of these verses is that they even happened to Jesus and his family. You know, it helps us to remember that the one we worship started out life as a refugee. He and his family had to seek asylum in a strange country far away from their family with no means of support in order to escape slaughter by a brutal and jealous tyrant. Yes, I know, it's terrible. And the streets of Bethlehem, a little town of Bethlehem, how still we see thee lie, soon became the site of a brutal massacre. As I said, God allows bad things to happen sometimes, and yet, even though they happened to Jesus and his family, wonderful things came about because of it. A great redemption, and he still does that to this day. So on that cheery note, we're going to pick a thing to do for somebody, and Caleb, why don't you... Oh, here we go. Yes, he picked this card. You want to read this for us? Still not talking. All right. Make a thank you note for sanitation workers. I think we can do that, okay? You help me with that. All right. Now, I'm supposed to close with a joke, but I am far too serious and grim a person to do that. So we're just going to say a Merry Christmas to... Oh, he wanted to say it. Okay. All right. Go ahead.
Merry Christmas to all of you, and God bless us all, everyone.